Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss multiple ring buffer part 2 means different type of buffer. So it is very important for you. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you. So please help me by subscribe. So let's start. We already discussed previous video for how to install plugin, buffer plugin. So we discuss only shortly for install plugin. We go to plugin and manage and install plugin, and we write here buffer and we select here multi-ring buffer and install it. We already install, we close it. After install you see here this type of buffer icon, we select it. After selection we select here point. After point we select here ring buffer and distance. We write here distance 10, 20, 30 and segment 1, then OK. You see here your buffer is created, and next process we select point layer, go to buffer and we select here ring distance 10, 20 and 30, segment 2, then OK. You see here your buffer created, and next we go to again buffer ring distance and segment 3, then OK. You see here your buffer is created, different type of buffer created. After it we go to again buffer and we select here rings and distance. We select here different type of distance 30, 40, 20, 5 and 10, segment 2, then OK. You see here your buffer is created, and you see here detail, go to identify, you see here 40 and other buffer, you right click, go to open property and you select, you see here your buffer 40, 30, 20, 10 and 5. Our buffer is created. Next process we go to again buffer ring and we select here sequential. After sequential we OK. You see here it's sequential. Sequential means you see here one corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corner, and same next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means corner is 8, and next we go to again buffer, we select here ring, specify and distance, you select here regular buffer, then OK. You see here your buffer is created. So we successful created different type of buffer. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.